Kia ora. This STAT193 video is going to show you how to use your graphics calculator to calculate large sample confidence intervals for proportions. In a random sample of 80 opossums captured in the Tararua Ranges, 34 were found to have tuberculosis. In this problem, we're being asked to calculate a 90% confidence interval for the proportion of opossums in the Tararua Ranges who have TB, and we're being asked to report this to 2 decimal places. To do this, we go into the Stat option of the main menu. We choose Interval, which is F4, and we can choose between Z and T. To decide this, we go and check our sample size. Here we've got 80 as our sample size, so we can consider this to be a large sample, so we select Z. As we're trying to find a confidence interval for proportion, we choose 1P, which is F3. The first thing we need to enter is the confidence level. As we're interested in a 90% confidence interval, we enter this confidence level as 0.9 for 90%. X is the number that was found to have tuberculosis, which is 34. And N is our sample size of 80. We click on Execute, and this gives us the left and right bounds for proportion, as well as the point estimate for the proportion, which is calculated by dividing 34 by 80, and the number in our sample, which we entered as 80. To report this confidence interval, we can write the 90% confidence interval for proportion goes from 0.33 to 0.52. This value of 0.33 comes from the left bound here and is rounded to 2 decimal places. And if we round the right bound here to 2 decimal places, we get 0.52, which is this value here. And the easiest way to write this confidence interval is to use brackets at either end with a comma between the two values.